Hey guys, it's Jen. I'm back with a new video, and for today's video, I'm doing a mukbang with Alexis.
I'm Johnny.
I'm Mallory. And for today's mukbang, we went to Chick-fil-A. Ew.
They forgot our sauce, me and Jen.
Yeah, for real, man.
You get ketchup.
I've got a lot of ketchup. No.
Yeah, I didn't even get my honey mustard. I'm gonna do like a mini haul with my food. And you know, zoom in on the fries.
Wow. What?
How many did she give you?
Like 4.
What? She only gave me 2.
Can I get one?
That's because I said a lot of ketchup.
Alexis, my mouth is so dry. Only one.
Yeah, what the?
I need this.
I'm supposed to. Dude, should we actually go back?
No.
I want to go back.
Then go back.
Yeah, okay. Okay, you guys are coming along too. Make sure my camera doesn't fall.
It's gonna zoom.
I hope not.
Try it with me part 2.
Yeah, well, we were actually supposed to have 2 other special guests, but
Special? They're not special.
yeah, they're not special.
I mean, whoa. Whoa.
Gotcha, bitch. No,
We're gonna go around the car and you're gonna say your name, age, what your favorite color is, and your favorite way to eat potatoes. My name's Mallory.
Chick-fil-A was supposed to be
I'm 16. My favorite color is blue, and I like mashed potatoes. My name's Alexis. I'm 16. My favorite color is probably like a light yellow or a light pink, and I like potato soup.
My name is Johnny.
Forgot some of our
I'm
sauces.
14, and my favorite color is like a special shade of blue, and potato. How I like to eat potatoes. I just eat them raw.
And that's what's that.
Oh,
This is all happening for the video.
Go back, please.
No. If you take any of this out, that's gonna be so sad. Oh my god. Can I have my sauce? Oh, nice. Okay. Back to Jenly.
Back to the old setup.
Everyone talk about the James Charles and Tati tea.
That was so
was so
old.
long, yeah.
Yeah, that was so old. We need
Okay,
some,
then
like,
talk about something recent.
something recent.
Can I have my sauce, please, Jen? Jenny.
Yeah, I don't know
Jenny
where
Boo.
it went. So weird. Like talking about food. Like, oh yeah, I got a Chick-fil-A.
Also, I got
Deluxe.
a new bottle of Gucci lotion. Jen, show them the errands. Show them the errands. Hey, never have I ever got the flu.
What?
No.
Yeah. Wait, no, I never.
Appropriate, so
Or have I ever broken a bone?
No.
I broke into.
Remember that?
I broke my toe.
incident with my finger. Do you remember that?
What happened? Wasn't it fat?
Yeah.
Wait, what did you tell the doctor?
Did I break my finger? I don't know if I broke my finger.
And she lost.
Never have I ever.
My hand hurts. What have you not done?
Did you get a stick and poke? Oh
Don't
my.
talk about that.
Dave is gonna watch my YouTube video.
Never have you ever gotten a tattoo?
Okay. I saw 5.
Never have I ever been camping. I have 2 left.
Camping?
I've not been camping, ever. Oh, never.
Those people are like looking at us like, what the fuck?
Never have I ever gotten grounded for more than a week. You're so
I don't get
stupid
grounded.
for the
I don't get grounded.
Yeah. Is it like an Asian thing?
one finger left. You have twice.
Never have I ever kissed a dude. Nah, you said.
I'm out. I'm out. Yeah, Jen. You want to hear my list, Jen? Me to actually name all of them.
Yeah, do it right now.
Jen, will you blur this out?
Yeah.
Every single person.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'll blur it out. I'll
On
bleep
God,
it out.
Jen.
Yes. On Buddha.
Okay.
What?
So.
Yeah, right?
Oh. Oh my god, there's so many.
Dude, show them your food.
It's a chicken
Oh,
strip.
dude, we gotta entertain the viewers.
We tell stories.
Yeah. Oh, if you guys watched my recent story time, I never found out who stole my shoes. So like, if you're the bitch that stole my shoes, karma's gonna get you back. I don't know when, but
Jen, I'm wearing
shut up.
I do.
Yeah, don't make me break my neck. Hey, tell a story.
Some of this you're gonna have to blur out. Okay, do you want like a, all my stories are bad.
Yeah. Funny stories or like a
Story?
uh-huh. Yeah, sure, whatever.
We're at this party, and our friends that were supposed to give us a ride left us, and so our had this sketchy guy named pick us up. Yep. But okay, he dropped us off at this.
Johnny.
Who named our kid Einstein?
Who's supposed to be in this video? That's really too
Did
bad.
you watch Little Einstein?
I don't know.
Like an Asian mom can't even pronounce Einstein. Like, how did they come up with that name?
So she dropped us off at a literal. The mom was there. She was with her 20-year-old boyfriend. There was a Alexis and I.
Whoa, what?
I'm gonna blur that out. And they're gonna be wondering what you guys did with that.
They're gonna think we had like a movie somewhere.
Where did this come?
The mom, what are they? Oh, BFL. She made Alexis eat this watermelon with cigarette ash on it. Either cigarette ash or pepper. No, it was definitely cigarette ash. It was. All of the kids left the house and they were like, sorry, like, I feel bad you guys don't have a ride home, but like we gotta go.
I remember that.
We were alone.
We're literally like freshmen going into sophomore year.
We were alone in this house and the only person that's left is the mom.
And we had to be home at 12 and it's like what? It's like 10 minutes away from 12.
Yeah. So it's like, okay, my mom's gonna pick up me and Haley, but like Alexis and Mallory, you guys have to find a ride. And we're like, okay, what the f? And so we start leaving and the mom of the literally comes outside with a hose and she's like, get the f back here, I could kill you guys right now.
We started running.
Yeah. And then trips and like cut her face open.
Can I have your fries?
No.
The only
You already
time I
have
was
your fries.
really sick, I threw up for like a week straight.
You're actually a man.
I don't care. It's just Johnny here.
It's just Johnny here.
Sure, never have ever because now I have a finger. I'm out.
That's not 5.
Okay, Alexis, your turn.
Never have I ever.
I forgot how many. I have 4.
No, you don't.
I swear I never.
I
have
swear
4.
you don't. I have 2 left. I have 2 left.
You guys not gonna lose.
I know.
Those ideas, man.
Bro,
I've done a lot.
We don't have 3. I think.
Yeah, put it up.
I think. I don't know.
Okay, never have I ever gone into the homecoming dance.
Hold on. Because you were embarrassed.
Jen!
He's not gonna watch it.
Say it.
She doesn't even watch my YouTube
Say
videos. She didn't have her ID, and the only way to get into the dance was to have an ID, even though like the principal didn't even ask for my ID, so you would have been safe. But no, you just ditched your date.
Okay, sorry that he literally.
No, I walked out of the dance and I literally walked up to Alexis and it wasn't fun at all. And she asked me if it was fun and I said no. So we just got in Gavin's car and we stayed there.
Dude,
Jen,
that night was a blur. I don't remember anything.
You guys.
No, they're gonna think you.
Clickbait. Mallory and Alexis. Honestly, be Tana Mojo. We would get 20 million views.
Can you believe that she's getting married to Jake Paul? They got engaged.
What the f?
She tweeted out that she got engaged.
That's definitely a joke. Shorty got the 18.
It's funny how like Einstein or Mason
I
just
ate
asked
Mallory.
about
Johnny, now it's your turn to say
what?
to say never.
Oh, Jen. What a cutie, right?
What? You know that sent you the video of the toothbrush?
Wait,
Oh!
Am I the only person that's still eating?
yes. Oh, story time. So Jen used to make fun of me. Guys, do I look like
Right here?
from Ice Age?
Yeah, I'll literally pull up a picture. Oh yeah, this right here.
I used to hate.
Do you want to?
2 years ago,
I actually was so scared of Jen.
Oh,
I thought she was like super mean. She has
Can you guys like shut up for a second? We're
Yeah,
literally
you're
telling
so
a story time.
She has the worst resting face ever.
Yeah.
And I literally thought Jen was so mean. I thought she hated me. And so I always told people, I was like, Jen's
Oh my
so
God,
scary.
stop.
And then I said,
So one day in the library, Jen comes up to me, she goes, well, somebody thinks I'm scary. And I was like, shh. Now I'm actually scared of you. And then I don't even know how we like beat
2 years later, here we are sitting in my car. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna pull it up. But they actually do look alike.
So
Like,
mean.
Like if you think she looks
She's
like
so
Sid.
broke.
Yeah, you did me so dirty.
You've done her dirty like 3 times.
What was the other time?
The homecoming picture.
Okay, but that was like, I wasn't in the right place.
And
Those were my
the
fries?
picture.
Yes. I asked you before. You're like,
Oh,
You're like,
Jen
no.
was salty about my homecoming picture.
Yeah.
Guys, we have to do a
no.
thumbnail. Pretend that we still have our food and just like hold up your bags and stuff.
Okay, me and Johnny's back. Kind of want to start making videos with you, Jen. Like, not gonna lie.
Oh yeah, we can do a vlog.
I'm excited for the vlog.
Yeah. Stay tuned for a
Alright,
vlog.
Jen, can I have $100 now that you paid me to do your video?
So that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
That was late. With boobies or not?
Peace.
Yeah.